This 2024 Coachmen Freelander 26DS Ford is a Class C RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 27 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, smoke detector, skylight, awning, microwave, external shower, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab. This 2024 Coachmen Freelander 26DS Ford is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.